Go.
Welcome to the Velocity and Conversion Show with Pat and Melissa.
Conversion is when you change the unit, like meter to mile, or second to minute. Boom!
Today we're going to be talking about dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is when you convert one unit of measurement to another using fractions equivalent to 1. So,
Teacher Pat, I have a question.
yes, Colleen?
What is a 5,000 millimeters in meters?
Well, 5,000 millimeters, you need the conversion factor that 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. So, you do 5,000 millimeters over 1 times 1 meter over 1,000 millimeters, because this is the conversion factor. And then when you times then you have to cancel the units, sort of like using fractions when you cancel the top and bottom. And then, so you get 5,000 meters over 1,000. So then you just got to divide from there, and it equals 5 meters. And that's the answer.
Oh, it makes so much more sense.
But you can't forget that this answer has to line up with this one in significant digits.
Oh, yes. I love conversion. Because conversion is the same. Just like Colleen.
Hello, Patrick. I was wondering, how do I convert 1 week to hours?
Well, 1 week to hours, if you're using dimensional analysis, 1 week is question mark hours. So the conversion factor you need to know is 1 week is 7 days. You know that, right? Yes. Okay. So 1 week, and then you put that over 1, so it's a fraction, times. But hold on, there's another conversion factor I forgot. It's 1 week is 7 days, and then you have to know that from 7 days, 1 day is 24 hours, so you can get from 1 week to an hour. So 1 day equals 24 hours. So this is a 3-step problem. So you have to make sure that the things line up so you can cancel them out. So make a fraction, 7 days equals 1 week. And then, so that's,
They cancel out.
yeah, so you're getting weeks to days. Now you gotta get days to hours. So 24 hours equals 1 day. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So this weeks cancels out this weeks, and these days cancel out these days. So it leaves you with just hours. So that equals 1 times 7 times 24 equals 168 hours. Do you think there's anything I'm forgetting?
I don't really know, Pat.
Well, see, this has 3 significant digits, but this answer only has one significant digit. So you have to round that to 1 significant digit. So you can only have 200 hours, and that's the answer.
Thank you. I understand it.
Conversion is so cool. It's not stupid. We learned it in school.
Hey Pat, can you help me convert this problem?
What's the problem, Jonah?
How many centimeters per second are in 15 kilometers per hour?
Alright, well see, this is a pretty complex problem. Because kilometers to centimeters, you have 2 conversion factors, and hours to seconds, you have another 2 conversion factors.
Okay.
So you have to go from kilometers to centimeters and hours to seconds.
Okay.
So we'll start off with 15 kilometers over 1 hour.
Alright.
Times this conversion factor, 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer, times then this conversion factor, 1 meter over 100 centimeters. So once you cancel these out, kilometer, kilometer, meters, meters, you're left with centimeters.
Okay.
So that's how you convert the first one. Then now you got to do the hours to seconds. So times hours, make sure the hours line up. 1 hour over 60 minutes times 1 minute over 60 seconds. So then the hours cancel out and the minutes cancel out, so you're left with seconds in centimeters. So once you do all the math, it'll be 1,500,000 over 3,600. And with my amazing math skills, I know that that equals 416.667.
Wow.
But there's one step that I didn't include.
What would that be?
This has 2 significant digits, and this number has 6. So I gotta round these to that. So 420, you'd round that up, and that's 2 significant digits. Don't forget your units.
All right.
That makes sense?
Yes, thank you very much, Mrs. Anquali.
525,600 minutes. It's converted to 8,760 hours.